What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Me to give you a hand. Today's video, doing a review on this game called Corp Taggerz. It's my game and a whole new update with one custom cosmetic, which is Illustrator. And yeah, I'm gonna get into this video and show you all the cosmetics. So first you get Infinite Shiny Locks. It's in Back to School 3. And the GT2 badge is Illustrator. So, and then it gives you at Fading Painter. It's not a PK method, but next update will be an app. There's a Discord button right here. There is that staff announcements. Yeah, this Comp Taggerz Code of Con, and you get Finger Painter, and yeah. And then when you get in the game, you spawn in built-in long arms, and you have the option to disable them and enable them. And codes do work, and we're also going to have a little montage because I'm bored. And I will put the game link and Discord link in the description below. And so it's gonna come back. But now, and yeah, we're gonna have a little montage, like I said, because I'm bored as fuck. Well, because I'm bored as fuck, actually. So, and yeah. And I'm also going to add mirror and stump. And yeah. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.